Could we please have some quiet? We're going to race some cars right now. Leftovers, junkyards, abandoned fire trucks with nozzles. I don't know what that is, but it's pretty.
Hey fellas, I'm the one who wrote the sign and I'm the one who invited you all here tonight. If I'm not mistaken, we all have kind of the same problem.
Oh yeah? What's that?
By the way, here, look, the sign says leftovers, junkyards, abandoned fire trucks with no nozzles. I just ran out of space and well, you guys know anyway.
Let me at him. Let me at him.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Yes, it's true. Many of us in leftovers junkyards have missing parts. I came because of my missing nozzle.
All for coming. I just wanted to...
Who's that?
Oh no.
Whoop! Hey guys! Whoop! What's up? Get it? Get it? The ladder's up. What's up? Looks like I'm in the right place then, 'cause I don't have a nozzle. I got a ladder, but I always thought I should have a nozzle.
What's wrong with the end of your ladder there?
Nothing. That's the way I was made.
Okay.
Ooh, gotta go with what the sign says. And the sign says, abandoned fire truck with no nozzles. Have you been abandoned? Where? Do you have no nozzle?
That's right.
Woo! Okay. That's cool with me. You can stay. And who is that now? What's that noise? Do you hear that?
Hey! What are you guys doing here?
Well, we rented this place out for a meeting tonight because we have no nozzles. Except this smartass. He's got a nozzle and he showed up.
No! Back it up! Heep, heep, heep! This is reserved for the meeting if we can't roll good.
Yeah, you tell him, Mikey.
Or then tell him, hey fella, you ever heard of the demolition derby?
The demo what? Licking what?
What is going on here? What is going on right now? You tell me. You guys stop it. Listen, you guys can't be beating up garbage trucks on my watch. This is a junkyard. You guys are already crusty and messed up. If you beat up each other anymore, guess what? You lose some resale value. Huh? Think about it. Nobody's gonna come and buy like a parts car or something if there's no parts left on it that work. So no unauthorized demolition derbies. You get me? You get me? Alright. Get out of here. Go back. Oh, mommy loves you, half dog. Yes, she does. The cars know. The cars know that if they don't listen, then you'll pee all over them. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. You'll pee all over them. This is my beautiful mother, who's going to join us in racing today.
Well, I don't play, I win.
Shut up, Mom. I'm trying to do something here. Okay, so, Mom drives in these races. She drives 2 of these cars. So I gotta show you this. It's pretty OG. It's been in John's family for a while. Jeep Cherokee. It runs like a bat out of hell. Mother drives a 2007 Cadillac Escalade. That a beautiful gold-plated kind. But as you can see, it's been loved and worn, and it has a beautiful tinted glass, and in the back it's got a post. That thing's solid. Again, good for getting groceries, and it turns out racing us.
All that might matter, but I'm driving the Mystery Maverick. Remember this beauty? Yeah.
Racing starts pretty good when I get a hold of Bug's 1974 Matchbox Chevy Nova that he built with the engine protector on the front, beveled out headlights, that wonderful patina, the scraped vinyl top. Classic. I get to drive this, you'll see that.
Too cool! 66 GTO! What? I guess I win again.
Yeah, that's right. That was the best straight up race. There was no interference from anybody. It was just like, yeah, you pulled away and won that one.
Yeah, GTO.
Oh, but could we have some quiet here? We're trying to race.
Yes, I left you all in the dust with my Jeep Cherokee.
Oh, that's cute, Mom.
Well, I don't play, I win. I call that one ducks in a row. Nice.
You know, and that's when me and Bug and Rebel decided to, conspire to take Mama out because she was just too damn good.
Ho-hum, what are you saying over there, Irma?
Nothing, Mother. Just nothing.
Well, come on now.
Shh, shh. It's time to race.
The funny thing about this car is that I can't find or read the maker, but there in the middle you see it has like a circle that had maybe, it was a display model. I gotta tell you something, the wheels were crap when I pulled them off. And that's why I replaced them with the Hot Wheels, and I weighted it, and I made sure that this guy was able to just shut down anybody. So this 1970 mysterious Ford Maverick car that I built is ready to just take on any comers, that's for sure.
This is what winners look like.
Well, that's what I call my slip and dip. That didn't work out. Take two.
That's the only take, I'm afraid.
I guess I win again.
Yeah, that's right. That was the best straight up race. There was no interference from anybody. It was just like, yeah, you pulled away and won that one.
Yeah. GTO.
Could we please have some quiet? We're going to race some cars right now.
Whatever, Varuma. You hit my driver's door, distracted me, and I slipped the clutch, and I couldn't help it. Okay, so I could have beat you, but you won because of that. I thought you was a cheater, maybe.
That def proves my Chevy Nova outpowers that Ford.
Yeah, what did you say? Ow!
I keep winning and winning, and you keep losing and losing.
What the fuck?
Has a pretty fragile and temporary suspension, which I think contributed to what happened next. And Mother was driving a Porsche, weren't you, Mom?
I think, yes, I've lost interest. I'm going to go and perhaps lay down and read a book. Good night.
Good night, Mom. Anyway, I keep rolling. Watch.
Believe it. Better believe it. What?
Yeah, that one. And then this one, too. And that's when my VW started doing ballet. Ouch. Get out of my feet. Come on. That's not... They love me. Yep. What?